Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is me, with Nazareth. Today I'm going to unbox one of the most affordable Bluetooth speaker that I recently purchased from MIVI.in, that is Room 2. Hope you all enjoy the unboxing video, and also thank you for showing all the love and support on my recent upload. If you want such kind of content, do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Do share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. It will help me to grow this channel. As the video continue, you will hear some of the audio quality is being dropped. Hope you all don't mind. I'll be improving in the upcoming uploads. Thank you. Let's start the video. The first thing is the knife. I would like to cut it. Okay, Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. You want to pause it, just read it. I got in a beautiful discount. Lovely package. Push the limit. Okay, wow, nice. Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. MIVI. A huge discount. Made in India. Wow, nice. Oh, here's a seal. Let's break the seal. Satisfying. Okay, let's move out all of the. Okay, so here this is how it opens. Okay, what do you get? Push the limit. Wow, some. Okay, 1 year of registration. Okay, cool. Okay, let's break this. Oh, nice. Okay. If you want to read, please pause the video and read. I'll just move very quickly. This is all the technical part and all. Okay. Okay, just let this thing aside. Let's focus on the main product. Okay, this was a good one. Fall aside. Okay, what's written this? Okay, how the things have been made. So let's put this everything back into it. The packaging is good, no doubt. Okay, sorry for the weird transition, but yes, it's got in. Let's just keep aside. Okay, this is the actual room, and there is nothing inside. Okay, there is a cable inside. Good. Oh, you get aux to aux cable, and you get USB to micro USB cable. Good length. Nicely done. Let's just put this aside. Okay, here's the product. Okay, MIVI logo written right over here with a strap band on it. Oh, it's a good one. These are the cushioning for holding it. Okay, there's a volume over here, play, and there's a power button over here.
Power on.
Oh, nice
Bluetooth
one.
mode.
Okay. Let's connect to the Bluetooth and let's see how it performs. Okay, there is a blue light blinking. So here's the music. The bass is good. The sound clarity is good. Nicely done, MIVI. You can have a party of it. So how did you like the video? Please do let me know in the comment section below. If you want more of this unboxing, do hit me up. Do let me know if you want such kind of unboxing. I will bring such kind of unboxing. Thank you. Peace out.